Sanskruti, most of us have had art classes in school. While these were mandatory for many, not everyone enjoyed drawing, painting, or sketching. It's understandable since everyone has their own way of being creative. Some people prefer writing, singing, playing an instrument, or even focusing on sports. Personally, I was lucky because I love art classes. I look forward to them every week. I love playing with colors and felt like I could express my emotions through my sketches and drawings. Art classes were a big benefit for me. My journey with sketching and painting started when I was a child. Simple doodles in my notebook turned into a meaningful way for me to connect with the world. Drawing is more than just a hobby for me. It's a way to express my feelings and thoughts when words aren't enough. When I draw, I enter a world where my imagination is free and my emotion find a voice. It's a calming and creative process for me. I generally start with rough sketches to plan the composition and the basic shapes. This is like building the foundation of my artwork. Then I add details, textures, and shading. This is when the magic happens. Watching my ideas come to life on the paper. Every pencil stroke and shading blend brings me closer to my vision. And each piece of art feels like giving wings to my dreams. Starting with a rough idea and then letting the hands move, flowing in the creativity liberates me internally. Painting and sketching have its own challenges. There are days when nothing seems to turn out right, and my hands can't capture my vision. They teach me patience, perseverance, and the importance of practice. It helps me grow. Every mistake is a lesson, and every struggle is a step toward improvement and improvisation. Each improvisation makes me want to explore more styles and techniques. The styles that attract me most are realism, abstract art, and the digital drawing. Art for me is not just about mastering the skill, but an incessant journey of self-expression and the discovery. I hope I have inspired you enough to explore your own creative pursuits. I would like to share one small tip that I have learned in my small journey as of now. It's not about being perfect. It's about expressing yourself and enjoying the process.